Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract slightly more complex algebraic fractions. So let's give this fraction a go. So we've got x plus 3 on 2 plus x minus 2 on 5. So how would you go about adding this fraction? So remember, we want our denominator to be the same when we add or subtract fractions. And a quick easy hack to do this is to cross multiply. So you're going to do initially this times this first. So we'll just leave it in brackets. So we've got 5 times x plus 3 plus this times this. So the cross multiplication method. So plus 2 times x minus 2. And in my denominator, I just have these two multiplied by each other, which is 10. And that's basically it. But of course, we need to expand and simplify, and that's where the fun begins. So whatever's outside the bracket, you need to multiply by whatever's in the bracket. So let's do that. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times positive 3 is 15. And then you're going to do that times that next, which gives me 2x. And be careful of the signs here. That times that. So 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. And it's going to be all over. Let me just write that a bit clearer. 10. Okay, so let us now collect like terms. So we've got a 5x plus 2x over here, which is 7x. And another like term is 15 take 4, which is 11. So it should be 7x plus 11 on 10. And that's as far as we could go, and that's our simplified answer. So well done if you got that correct, or if you were able to follow that through. Let's give you a few more to do. So let's do a subtraction one. So let's write it out. So suppose I have 2x take 1 on 3 minus x take 1 on 4. So there's a few negatives going on here, so be careful. Should we do this together? Feel free to have a bit of a go. So feel free to pause this video and then we could check your answers. I am going to give you 2 more after this for you to practice as well, and we'll definitely run through those answers. So don't worry. We're going to learn and master how to do this. You're in good hands. Okay, so let's cross multiply. So step 1, you're going to do that times that, and we're going to write in our brackets. So we have 4 outside brackets, and then 2x take 1. Then you're going to do minus that times that. So minus 3 times x minus 1, and on the denominator you're going to have these two multiplied by each other, which is just 12. Okay, let's expand and simplify. So that times that first, which is 8x. That times that, which is negative 4. That times that, which is negative 3x. And double negatives here. Neg 3 times neg 1, which gives me positive 3. And it's going to be all over 12. Okay, let us collect like terms. So we've got 8x take 3x, which is 5x. And then, again, be careful of the negatives. Minus 4 plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 is neg 1, right? All over 12. So your final answer for this should be 5x take 1 on 12. Okay, beautiful. So let me give you 2 more to practice. Very similar. And all we're going to do is pretty much the same thing. So cross multiply, expand the brackets, and simplify. So the first one I would like for you to try is x plus 1 on 3 plus x minus 2 on 2. Okay, let's do this. So cross multiply first. So you're going to do that times that. which gives me 2, because I highlighted it, I can't even see the equation properly, x plus 1 plus, and then we're going to do, let's change the highlighter color so it's a bit easier to see, that multiplied by that. 3 multiplied by x take 2, and on the denominator, those two multiplied by each other. And you'll notice I use quite a lot of different colors. Not only does it make my maths look beautiful, not that maths isn't beautiful, it actually helps you remember and learn stuff if you use different colors. So feel free to use different colors, different highlighters when you're working out, especially if you're more like a visual learner or different type of learners. Try use different colors. It's really fun. So okay, let's talk about fun. Let's do some more fun. Let's expand our brackets. So we're going to do that times that first, which is 2x. That times that, which is positive 2. And this one's nice and easy. The signs are positive, so it's good. That times that, which is 3x. And then positive 3 times neg 2 is neg 6. And all over my denominator, which is 6. Okay, and then finally, let us collect like terms. So you've got 2x plus 3x is 5x. And 2 takes 6, which is neg 4 all over 6. So you should get 5x take 4 on 6. Tick, tick, tick. Well done if you got that correct. Even if you just watch this and you're kind of able to grasp what's going on, remember, it's step-by-step learning, so even if you don't get it right on the first time, just give it a go a few times, and eventually it will definitely sink in. You can do this. It's not impossible. It can be done. Just have to believe in yourself. And it is always very fun to do maths. Okay, one more. Final chance. Let's see if you could get all 4 out of 4 correct. Okay, so let's make it a bit harder. So we've got 3x take 2 on 2, subtract x minus 2 on 5. Okay, let's give this bad boy a go. So step 1, cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, especially when it's a take like this, the order is really important. So make sure you do this order first. When you're adding, because when you add, it doesn't matter about the order. It's not so problematic, but it's a good idea to get into the habit. But when you're subtracting, the order does matter. So make sure you always do this order first. So anyway, we're going to do that times that first. So I'm going to use brackets. 5 brackets, 3x take 2. Then subtract this times this, which is 2 multiplied by x take 2 all over these 2, which is 10. Okay, let the fun begin. Let's multiply out my brackets. So 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times 2 is neg 10. Be careful of the negatives here. That would be neg 2x. And especially over here, neg 2 times neg 2 is positive 4 all over 10. Okay, finally, let us collect like terms. 15 take away 2x. 15x take away 2x is 13x. Again, be careful of the negatives. Minus 10 plus 4. So we're at neg 10 and we're adding 4, which is negative 6 all over 10. Boom. See, it wasn't that bad, right? Hopefully you're feeling good, you're feeling confident, and you can feel like you could do this. Let me know how you went, if you got these right, if it kind of came through, and if you found this helpful, I definitely want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.